Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about STEM scholarship at University of Miami. They are offering the scholarship opportunities for undergraduate students at University of Miami in United States. I have made this Word file, okay, where I have summarized this scholarship. Here we will discuss the summary of the scholarship, eligibility criteria, and we will also discuss how much is the coverage of the scholarship and further details. So University of Miami STEM scholarship is only awarded to fresh undergraduate students who are exceptional and academically accomplished high school seniors. STEM scholars receive a merit award equivalent to the full cost of attendance, tuition, accommodation, 12,000 stipend, laptop for 4 years of undergraduate study. Summary of the scholarship is the host country is United States of America. You'll study in USA. Categories and undergraduate scholarship. All countries are eligible to apply. Reward is full scholarship, accommodation, and 12,000 stipend with laptop. Deadline of the scholarship is November 1, 2024. University of Miami stipend scholarship detail. Interested and qualified applicants should take advantage of this opportunity and submit your application as soon as possible. Requirements are apply for admission to undergraduate degree at University of Miami, meet the requirements for program you are applying for, demonstrate exceptional uh, academic ability in your application. To attain the scholarship, a STEM scholar must complete a full-time undergraduate program of university of study with no fewer than 12 credit hours during each of the fall and spring semester for minimum 24 credit hours per academic year. Minimum of 3.0 GPA for academic year must be maintained at University of Miami. Okay, so these are the requirements for the scholarship. And to attain the scholarship, they mean that if you get the scholarship, then your next year scholarship, for example, if you will get the 3.0 GPA in first year, only then you will retain this scholarship. Okay, otherwise you will lose the scholarship. इनका कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर आपने पहले साल में 3.0 GPA ले लिया तो नेक्स्ट ईयर आपकी स्कॉलरशिप होगी, नहीं तो फिर नहीं होगी. ठीक है. Okay, now benefit of the scholarship are tuition fee, on campus housing, meal plan, university health insurance, textbooks, laptop allowance, access to 12,000 enrichment fund, undergraduate research, unpaid internships, and educational pursuits. The documents which you need to submit are letter of recommendation, academic transcript, ACT and CAT scores, and IELTS scores. Okay. Now we go to that university web page where they have described this scholarship, STEM scholarship. Here they have mentioned all the details which we have discussed before. The selection process is selected semi-finalist candidate for STEM scholarship are asked to write short response to a predetermined essay prompt. Finalists will be selected based on review of candidate application and supporting documents. Okay, and finalists will be interviewed by the STEM's family. Okay, how you can apply, you can see here how to apply. Okay, after you'll come to that page, then if you want to apply for first year or transfer student, it based on you. Okay, for example, if you're first year student at want to apply for first year student at undergraduate, then you can select, and here they have mentioned the first year application requirements. Okay, you can see all these details. Okay, the common application, first you need to submit your application, and there is also uh, non-refundable application fee. Okay, $70. After you will submit your application for the study program, then you need to submit your application for applying for aid, okay, and then submit your supplementary material for special program. If you are applying for school of architecture or school of music, okay, theater arts, only then you need to select the supplementary material for special programs, okay. After you apply, then you can check your application status. And yeah, that was all about STEM scholarship at University of Miami for undergraduate admissions at United States. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, please subscribe to YouTube channel. I wish all of you best of luck, and yeah, take care. Bye bye.